Land Hub, where style, comfort and quality meet.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biliya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchurigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Ano chitariki 12 mwanche muregerea erigane rituko abantu abange mwabeire ko mukoba mokuganyera anena mono okona cha kumonogerwe bunge omoske Moses Matsika wetangura igoro yengana buna maraibara ebu abanga se bunge naboigo mbarabibare asbake ase ebunge korinde ayatekire gwikira boniga Kenya kwanza nero yanyorekanire buna nerebwate abajumbe abange ase ebunge ajine kati ari ngwariganirete ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenge chengathire Nyaboga Wilson Makori na tochi kubwatira na croissance meri yimanyiriro naboigo DJ Atsa nero agenda takoba kwena kia buna chibicha na Mario ingo karachira asenchira yo wekranu kabana into ikomo ero Umwanchi omurigere ase ngwana ya kerarituko gochi ase chinyomba choborari aritukure rero ni wo muwaziri wobochenu omosike Dr. Deborah Barasa ayerera igati yare eserekari yabekire erikwana kebuna omuroberio muye wobochenu omurobiresha ngochiore ko abakenya emiroberio eisaini asatebe kiriongia kenene no kwene kiabuna abakenya nkonyora bare obokoreri obuya inse y'omuroberi oyosha.
To fortify our journey towards Taifa Care implementation, I am pleased to announce the establishment of the Benefit Package and Tariff Advisory Panel. Domiciled at the Center of Epidemiological Modeling and Analysis at the University of Nairobi, the panel will serve as a critical advisory body to guide decisions around the social health insurance program. They are mandate reviewing and recommending health benefit packages to ensure comprehensive care, advising on fair pricing and tariffs for health services, and monitoring the program's impact for continuous improvement. By conducting rigorous health technology assessments, the Benefits Package and Tariff Advisory Panel will help prioritize cost-effective, high-impact interventions. This approach will guide resource allocation to ensure Kenyans receive quality care without compromising financial sustainability. We are fostering strong partnership across government, academia, the private sector, and civil society to ensure transparency, accountability, and diverse stakeholder input. The outcome being enhanced quality and accessible healthcare services to all Kenyans, a financially sustainable, sharp program that adapts to emerging healthcare challenges and strengthen collaboration with key stakeholders to advance healthcare reforms. The BP TAP's work will be a significant step towards making Kenya healthcare more inclusive and responsive to the needs of Kenya. Our next step, we want to see the panel commence work, and that is with immediate effect, with a comprehensive review of the benefit package expected within 2 years.
Chinga kiechie mwancho murigani igo mu Director General ensemo yobo chenu omoske Daktari Patrick Amothi nera kwanera emiroberio eserekari yabekire erokane kyabuna oburore bwe Ebola obwatekire ase enseria ya Uganda tiborigo chigoika ense ya Kenya. Asate ba eserekari nigo irache koringoria anene mono korigereria abantu bari bakora chisabari kuri ase ense ya Kenya gochi ase ense ya Uganda naboigo gokora screening ase abantu bari bamenyeta ase county naboigo Chinsemo chirichire ase mubaga bwense ya Kenya ninseri ya Uganda.
Community participation is very critical for outbreak control, and therefore we urge members of the public, as for now we have not recorded any case of Ebola, but we need to be alert, and we have also activated our Public Health Emergency Operations Center, activated the rapid response teams, the African health surge capacity, and remember we also had our Ebola warriors who participated in the 2014-16 Ebola outbreak in West Africa. We have a database of 169 healthcare workers who we can be able to call upon to be able to support us. We have enhanced our screening capacity and our ports of entry, especially the land ports of entry, that is Busia, Malaba, Swam, and Wahaha, but also at the Kenyatta International Airport. And we have a designated parking slot for flights coming from Uganda for an expedited screening process. We have the laboratory capacity that we use during COVID-19 pandemic that we'll be able to latch onto, and we are working together with Chinsa and the country government to be able to ensure that we have sufficient stocks of personal protective equipment, because we need a unique PPEs for Ebola. In terms of surveillance, that continues at the designated ports. We have also sent an alert to the counties to be able to prepare themselves. And for now, we have capacity at Kenyatta National Hospital and Moi Teaching Referral Hospital.
Tutigere tumwanche murigere asenseme yo yesere yeo sector ya bochenu magega ye kiombekire kyabo obisabo bochenu ya Kenya Union of Clinical Officers ko yeserekari inse ya matuko emerongebere nerimo eriko ikirania igati ya magani abo nigo bono besokire na goteba matukayo emerongebere nerimo ni garache koera ritukore Ijumatatu chitariki 15 na ibere asbana batebire onye serekari tarigo chigo ikirania amagani abo na kote na kubakora buna baigwananete nigo barache kogendereria omugiro.
Across the country, we had a national strike, which we suspended for 21 days. Those 21 days will end on Monday next week, and we have not been able to conclude a collective bargaining agreement and the other items in the return to work agreement of 2024 that was registered in court. So it seems that everything is directing us to go back on strike from Monday. So I want to inform clinic officers wherever they are in this country that they should prepare themselves to go back on strike on Monday, because the county governments seem to be unwilling to implement a joint agreement.
Kenyan to know, prepare well. Next week on Monday at night, we are going to close down those public facilities because the employer is still playing the games of hide and seek, that they only express them.
Umwanchi omurigereria na kero atigarite inse ya matuko atatoka erio bochori bobonyakerogo bw'ekiombekere kia AU bochikokorekana Jumamosi yeiga ritkoria rero nigo ebarasene enene ya obomo bwa Africa yakore geikaro kemerongene na gatano na rimo asomochio monene bwa Addis Ababa ense area ya Ethiopia ayaiga oseka okwana asegeikarekyo nigo munyakerogo ogochikogenda ososo ogochikorwa abisi umuskema osafaki ateba ogosaherera igati yaria akoreire Africa gosekiombekyo kiakoreire ense ya Africa ense yoborai bwaye.
I am delighted to end my term along with you. I will cherish a fond memory of your commitment, your openness, and your constant availability. I would also like to present my sincere gratitude to the Permanent Representatives Committee, in whose meetings I have not always been able to participate, which I certainly regret. Particularly the last one, during which I wanted to say farewell to the members. Better late than never. Distinguished ambassadors, I want to say thank you to you all. I congratulate the PRC on the excellent work done, which is reflected in its report, which will be presented shortly. In this regard, I would like to express my warm congratulations to you, Madam Chairperson of the PRC, my dear sister Khadijatu, for your efficiency, your dynamism, and your leadership. Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, dear friends, together with the constant support of our heads of state, we have done a lot and laid the foundation for more ambitious programs. There is almost no significant field in which we have not worked, endeavored, and sometimes produced results, even if political, economic, and diplomatic adversities have sometimes reduced our productivity and our production. In this, to use an agricultural metaphor. In this area of health, COVID-19 was overcome, as was Ebola and Mpox. Africa CDC is asserting itself as an effective tool.
Mwanchi omurigereria na togo chigokorera nigo selection panel yekiombekera kyobochori n'echimbibe kia IEBC gekorawa n'omunyakirogobo Dr. Nelson Makanda yasoirera abakenya buna nigo turachikonyora commissioner ya IEBC gwekera omwerio bw'omutinyi okane gokwana n'echinyomba cy'oboraria nigo Makanda ateba gwikira boniga nigo gwetania abandu chimisato batumire amauko yokorigia chigesi ase kiombekyo gia IEBC.
The panel reassures the public that in the process of discharging her duties, members are guided by the provisions of the Constitution, the IBC Act, Cap 7C, as well as other relevant laws, and we will keep to the fidelity of the task that we have been given, and will faithfully discharge it so that we give this country an honorable commission, and a commission that will foster democracy in Kenya.
We are expected to have a commission by April, when we shall give the names of the nominees to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya.
So far, as at 10th February, which is yesterday, the panel had received 339 applications. The application process is ongoing, and as placed in the advert, it shall expire at 5 p.m. on Saturday, 15th February 2025.
But as far as we are concerned, there are no injunctions. Therefore, we are continuing with our work with that member until as directed by the court, because this commission, this
Tuikirana ase geikaro na abaseneta bande ase amatuko 52 na kianda arebosio ogochiko koigani gokwewonanwa nomokonyi bomospika omoske Kathuri Murungi ase boigo chinga kechechi omoske oruoba asaba bari bonse akoreira mamocho amabera.
Having considered this matter and taking note of the judgment delivered by the court on 15th August 2025, and the orders therein, Senator Ngiroli Roba shall now forthwith commence a suspension following the resolution of the Senate of 20th September 2023 to adopt the report of the Committee of Powers and Privileges on our conduct. The 79 calendar days that were to be appointed in the year 2023 will therefore run from today, Wednesday, 12th February 2025, to Thursday, 1st May 2025. The office of the Clerk of the Senate is directed to enforce the resolution of the Senate made on the 20th of September 2023 in the terms referred to above.
Thank you, Speaker, for giving me this time to possibly offer my apologies to the members of this House and to the members of the staff who I might have offended as I pursued whatever I was pursuing in terms of oversight or legislation. Mr. Speaker, if there is anyone, and I know that there are people who have actually come up to me and told me that I offended them, take this as my sincere apology. And truly, from the bottom of my heart, and as you can see, I have learned how to present and represent people better. And it is a learning curve, Mr. Speaker. However, I do understand that also I own up my actions and I own up my space. And so therefore, as I proceed for my suspension, I do hope that those I have offended will find it in their hearts to forgive me, and that it was not my intention to put out and maybe put out the Senate to seem that I'm trying to ridicule this upper house. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. As you have written,
Mwancho murigereria ayomona yanda mange no chiko yanyora ase wekiranu Chinsa ibere na Chinsa inyechi obutko bwarero no yominto Clinton ondigincenga tireni Nyaboga Wilfred Matundra magayichi kamera Wilson Makori nere twabwatirana korwa sense meri ebimanyiriro nabo iko DJ atsanero bugebeire gakwenekia chibichana Mario ingo ikirachira senchira yo wekiranu.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design design. Mabati ligani kabwata chikala bunabonelia Charcoal Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue, na wigo na Green. Obutambe bwe mabati liga nigo bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyara kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumuchuri gobusongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakiresi mgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.